Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can tag products on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. The first step is that you must have affiliate partnership with your partners. Let's suppose I have a partnership with this brand over here. I'll just go ahead and select this photo. And you can see that you can easily screenshot this photo. I want to post this photo on my Pinterest as well. So I'll just go ahead and screenshot the photo. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and select the description. You can do this later. Just go to Pinterest first. So after you open Pinterest, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Then click on pin. And this is the photo. You can select the photo as well. Just go ahead and click on next, click on edit, and you can see that you can drag and drop the photo, or you can see the size. If you want to crop it, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and extend the photo over here. So this is the photo. If you don't like it, you can crop it from outside. You can just go to the gallery and edit it. So let's go ahead and go to the gallery. This is the photo. What you need to do is go to edit and make sure this photo looks attractive, because this is going to be our pin. Go ahead and save it, and let's go back to the pin. Let's discard this. Let's do a new pin. So this is the new pin over here. Now what you're gonna do is go back to your partnership link, copy the text which is over here. So if you cannot copy this, you can write something like Air Force One or something like this. So you can just go ahead and write some description about the shoe, and you can write the description and mention or tags or hashtags to your pin. So you can write some descriptions like great shoes, lesser price. So you can write something like this. And what you need to do is add this link over here. So just go ahead and copy the link over here of this shoes and paste it. Now you can choose a board and choose your affiliate. So this is your affiliate board. This is the board which will be showed on your screen and people can actually view it. And you can see that now you can schedule the publish, or else you can just go ahead and click on publish now and click on create. After you do so, this pin will be ready. Go ahead and click on view, and this is a photo or pin you have added. If someone clicks on this, you can see that they will be headed to this page and your product has been tagged. Make sure that you have an affiliate link, otherwise you cannot earn even if people view the link. So it's quite easy to tag things or products on Pinterest. You just have to press or copy the link of the product and paste it on the link tab while you create a pin, and as soon as people click on the link or click on your photo, they will be headed to the link of your affiliate. I hope this video about how to tag products on Pinterest was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.